In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Amazon. This integration is a fantastic way to expand your business's reach and streamline your sales process by syncing your Shopify store with Amazon. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, you'll notice a side menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you manage different aspects of your online store like orders, products, customers, and more. For this task, you're going to navigate to the section labeled Apps and Sales Channels. It's a crucial part because this is where you can add new functionalities to your Shopify store by integrating various applications and sales channels. Once you've clicked on Apps and Sales Channels, you'll see options to add a new sales channel. Look for the button that says Add Sales Channel. Go ahead and click it. Then, scroll through the options and find Marketplace Connect, which is specifically designed to bridge your Shopify store with Amazon. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to install it. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. It's as simple as clicking a button and waiting for it to do its thing. After Marketplace Connect is installed, the next step is to follow the in-app instructions to connect your Amazon Professional Seller account. Make sure you have your Amazon Seller credentials handy. Connecting your Shopify account with Amazon will enable you to manage your products and sales across both platforms seamlessly. The app will guide you through the connection process. Just follow along with the prompts. They're designed to make this as straightforward as possible, minimizing any technical hiccups. Now that your accounts are connected, it's time to start mapping your existing listings or creating new ones. This step is vital because it ensures that your Shopify inventory and Amazon listings are in sync. The app provides an intuitive interface that makes mapping simple. You'll be able to select which products you want to list on Amazon or carry over from your existing Amazon inventory to Shopify. Use this opportunity to ensure all product details are up to date and accurate. Once your listings are ready, take some time to configure your pricing and inventory settings. It's crucial to decide how you want your prices to be displayed on Amazon and whether you'd like to keep your inventory levels locked between the two platforms. This step helps you maintain control over your stock and pricing strategy, reducing the risk of overselling or listing errors. Finally, when you've mapped your listings and configured your settings, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button to push your products onto Amazon's marketplace. With just a click, your Shopify products are now live on Amazon, reaching a wider audience than ever before. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Shopify store with Amazon, making it easier than ever to manage your business across two powerful e-commerce platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!